Welcome back, guys, to Steven's DIY.
All right, guys, and we are back. So today we're going to be checking out Harbor Freight's early Black Friday coupons. It starts Monday, October 31st, and it's going to go all the way through Sunday, November 13th. So let's go ahead and check these out, guys. So here we go. We're going to be looking at early Black Friday coupons for Harbor Freight. We haven't done one of these videos in a while, so I thought, hey, why not? Let's go ahead and do one of these videos. Although, as you're going to see shortly here, it's pretty much the same items that are always on sale. It's nothing crazy new. But let's go ahead and go through these. You have until Sunday, November 13th, which is about 2 weeks. So you got about 2 weeks to pick up any of these items that you see on sale that you guys like. And as always, I'm only going to touch on the items that I've had personal experience with, or that I've heard about, or that I might pick up myself. If I don't go over something that you guys have purchased or that you guys like or you don't like, go ahead and put that in the comment section below so that everybody else can get an idea of it. So without further ado, let's get into it. So here we go. We got the generators. We have the 3-ton floor jack with rapid pump on sale for $119 here. It's the Pittsburgh brand. I personally don't have a Pittsburgh one. I use the Daytonas, and I really enjoy those. We have a cabinet, single bank roller cabinet on sale for $329, originally $359. Here's some of these ratcheting tie downs. I do have these. I've never really used them. I've never had a need to. But as always, let's go into this 3-ton professional floor jack with rapid pump in blue by Daytona. It's on sale for $139. Original price is $174. It's $35 off. I really enjoy these Daytona jacks. I've always tried to get the blue one, and I was never able to get it. It's always out of stock. I usually get I have the black one and I have an orange one. But these are really good jacks. Never had an issue with them. On the one I have, I think this is pretty cool. It has this thick foam padding on it so that it's not hitting or scraping up on your car. Although I've kind of ripped mine off. But they're very good jacks. I highly recommend them. But you guys know that, so we're going to keep moving on. So they have these Thunderbolt batteries on sale for $199. Extra batteries always come in handy. They have these 1/2-inch drive impact deep sockets. I do have these. Original price is $30, on sale for $20. Never had an issue with these. I've used these quite often. Never actually had an issue. Never broke one of them. So I highly recommend these, especially on sale for $20. You can't beat that. We're going to keep moving along. So here is a Bauer 20-volt cordless 1/2-inch impact wrench on sale for $79. Original price is $99. I do have one of these. I hardly ever use it because shortly after I ended up purchasing my Milwaukee 1,400-pound nut-busting torque wrench or impact driver, impact wrench. If you so I never really used this, but I had noticed that. Let's see if it says on here. Oh, there we 450 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. I don't believe it has 450 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. My stub in Milwaukee that's rated at 250 foot-pounds of breakaway torque actually broke off a lug nut that this Bauer could not break off. So I don't know. I'm a little skeptic of that 450 foot-pounds of breakaway torque, but I've never actually tested it, so I don't really know. But for $80 to get you into the impact wrenches, not a bad deal. But I'm very skeptic of that 450 foot-pounds. But let's keep moving on. So like I said, I'm just going through. I'm only touching on stuff that I have experience with or that I've heard about. This pneumatic roller seat, it's on sale for $24.99, originally $32. I actually really like this seat. It's very sturdy, very comfortable. Never had an issue with it. It moves up and down. Adjusts from 15 to 20 inches. 300-pound max seat capacity, and seat swivels 360 degrees. I actually enjoy that seat quite a bit. Highly recommend that seat, especially on sale. So sorry guys. Here's a 3400 peak amp Pro portable jump starter and power pack. These always come in handy. I highly recommend, maybe not this specific one, but I do highly recommend these jump starters. They're good for emergencies, as well as a power source or even a tire inflator. So we have these hose clamps. These always come in handy again. I highly recommend these just for $6 having around your shop or anything just in case. I've used these quite often. So we're gonna keep going. We have this 10 amp variable speed reciprocating saw by Bauer. I have the cordless version of this and I really enjoy it. Very handy. Have had no problems with it, but on this one specifically, I don't have too much to say about it. So we're going to keep going. Here's a Zurich ZR8 OBD2 code reader with live data. If you guys know, you guys watch a lot of my videos, I have a Zurich ZR13 that I use quite often as my primary scan tool, just a quick scan tool that I use, and then I have my higher end scan tool that I use if I need to. But this one's on sale for $80, originally $100. It's only not too much off, only about $20 off. But it's a good code reader. It's a good brand. I really enjoy the one I use, the ZR13. Can't go wrong with this scan tool. Shows you quite a bit. This one specifically, I'm not sure, but at least the one I have, it shows you quite a bit. It does what I need it to do. So we're going to keep going. Here's the Braun 2000 lumen LED work light. This is the corded version. I have the cordless version of this, and I really like it. Puts out a lot of lumens. Um, you don't get very much battery life with it on the cordless version, but if I would highly recommend this one. If you guys have a shop or a garage that has a plug-in, I would definitely go with this one. It gives you a lot of light, very sturdy. I've dropped it a couple times and it still keeps on ticking. So good light. Just a cordless version. Not very much battery life with it. After one good use, you're probably gonna have to charge it up. So I'm gonna keep going. Okay, here we have a 3/8" drive teardrop composite wrench. Honestly, I bought this a while back and I do not recommend this. I don't know if maybe it's just I got a bad one or I don't know what happened, but I just after one or two uses of this, the head here, it actually kind of like broke on me. So it wouldn't even hold a socket no more. I was able to warranty it out, and I got a new one, but ever since then, I haven't even used the new one. I just don't. The it just doesn't feel like it will hold up. I I I definitely do not recommend this ratchet. I would spend that $12 on adding that $12 to a better ratchet from Harbor Freight, but that's just me. So here's the half-inch drive and a quarter-inch drive, teardrop composite wrench. Hercules, I've been hearing a lot of good things about Hercules. Tool brand, I don't have experience with it. But if you guys do, or if you guys had any, I'm actually curious about these impact wrenches myself. If anybody out there has had experience with these Hercules impact wrenches, or any of the Hercules brand cordless tools, go ahead and drop a comment. Let me know. I'm actually curious about it myself. I've been hearing a lot of good things about it. I've been seeing them a lot more on the shelf lately, and yeah, I'm curious. Let me know how well it works. If you guys recommend it or not. So again, here is these power banks. This is a 630 pCamp portable jump starter and power pack. Highly recommend these. Whether it's the Syntec brand or from wherever else you get them, they're very handy in emergencies. Whether you need to jumpstart your car, someone else's car, use it as a tire inflator, to air up your tire just to get you home or to get you to that nearest gas station or whatever the case may be, or even in a case where you might need to in an emergency, you might need to charge up your phone. These things come in handy. I highly recommend them, even if you don't do the Syntec brand. So we're gonna keep going. Here's a transmission jack. This looks similar to the one that I have, 800-pound low lift transmission jack. If this, I believe this is the same one that I have. I don't know, guys. I bought it years ago, so I don't even remember. Yeah, it's very similar to the one I have. Highly recommend it. Highly recommend these transmission jacks. They come in handy. They're meant for transmissions. This one has a chain to help you secure the transmission to the jack, so it's not rolling around or potentially hurting you or someone else. They come in handy. They're built for the transmission, so it's not like a regular car jack. And the one, at least the one I have, Holds the transmission perfectly secure. Very good quality, very heavy base, so you're not worried about it tipping over. I highly recommend it. For $180, original price is $230, $50 off. Not bad, guys. And that's it, guys. That is all of Harbor Freight's early Black Friday sale. Again, this started on Monday, October 31st, and it's going through Sunday, November 13th. That's 2 weeks, guys. You got 2 weeks to go and pick up these products for the early Black Friday sale. So anyway, guys, as you can see, most of it's like relisted. It's the same stuff on sale that's always on sale, but hopefully something piqued your interest. And again, if anybody's had any kind of experience with those Hercules tools, let me know in the comment section below. I'm actually curious about it myself. But anyway, guys, hopefully this was informative. And remember, Monday, October 31st through Sunday, November 13th to pick up any of these early Black Friday sales that you see that you like. So anyway, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you guys did, make sure to hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to hit that bell notification. And as always, guys, please subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. And as always, guys, until next time, have a good one.